Jen, can you outline for us some details of the project, what you're doing, where you're going, who you're talking to?
Tony, we started this project when I heard Tamati Kruger on radio quite some time ago, and was completely captivated by that interview. And I did a bit of research, and I wondered why we never see these stories evolving on our big screen, our little screens.
Focusing now on the documentary you're doing, what can we expect to see?
Well, I've shot quite a lot. And I'm looking at that again now, having received the award from Ministry of Culture and Heritage, which I'm very delighted with. Has kind of made me rethink how we will work forward with this project.
Right.
And so currently all the shoots that we've done to date they're being transcribed at the moment. I will look at that with my editor and determine who we are going to go and speak to with our oral history grant, which is, it's a wonderful opportunity because actually I think oral histories, although we'll be filming, it's a completely different kettle of fish to being filmed and being interviewed for film, because I think we get used to the soundbite, the short soundbite.
The soundbite or the image or the...
Yeah. And so I think that the oral histories, I'm really valuing that opportunity actually to have conversations, not so many, but to have conversations that we can do things more quietly and in a slightly more considered way. And so I'm really valuing that opportunity.
Why do you think this sort of project like this is important for Aotearoa New Zealand?
I think it's incredibly important because through the treaty settlements, which is a completely unique model globally, we have an opportunity to really make something here that is so different and so special. We really have to get the bicultural thing sorted properly before we can be truly multicultural.
What else can you tell us about the work you're doing and the learnings of the Tuhoe people?
The demeanour is astounding to me.
Is that because it's unique or different?
I can't say whether it's unique. I don't know whether it's unique. I'm not knowledgeable enough. But it really is. I go back to the original stories, and they are extraordinary, and yet there seems to be the ability to override that and really build for something completely different and completely extraordinary and truly democratic. I mean, I think the Tuhoe Settlement is reframing how we might think about things in terms of democracy.